Good day everyone, welcome to today's class. So today we have another sound and the sound is not letter E sounds. Letter E sounds. So here we have different sounds of letter E. Letter E has another sound. It sounds E in some words. It sounds E in some words. But today we want to work on this one. This makes the sound So we have elephant. ELEPHANT, elephants. Have enter, ENTER, enter. We have END, earned, EGG, egg. Then we also have this letter E at the initial. Initial means where starting with letter E, and we have it at the middle of words. We also have it where you have the final word, but the final words are silent E. So we have it at the words. Letter E sounds at the initial and in the middle. So we have blend, 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 SEND, send, BED, bed, LEG, leg, FED, fed, and the last is what? GET, girls. And that is it about the class. Bye.